Let's be honest. Have you ever felt totally lost trying to find the perfect product online? All that endless scrolling, all those confusing filters, it's a pain. Well, retail is on the verge of a massive shift, moving away from searching and towards something way more natural, just having a conversation. So let's meet the AI that's leading the charge.
So, on one side, you've got the old way. Searching. We have all been there. You type in a few keywords, get a zillion results, and then spend what feels like forever trying to narrow it down. It's frustrating. But on the other side, we have the new way. Asking. Just imagine talking to an expert who actually gets what you need right from the start. That's the huge change we're diving into today.
So who exactly is this expert? Well, meet Annie AI. And the first thing you need to get is that Annie isn't just another chatbot or some smarter search bar. Nope. The whole goal here was to build a true AI sales representative. Think of it like a really knowledgeable friend who's there to help you figure things out.
So how does Annie actually pull this off? Well, the magic is all in the engagement. It uses a natural voice-first dialogue, so you're literally talking, not typing. Under the hood, it's powered by these incredibly advanced large language models like GPT-4, which gives it this deep, almost human-like understanding. And thanks to tech from 11 Labs, the voice you hear is super lifelike and engaging, not robotic at all.
And this right here, this is the key difference. Annie doesn't just sit there and wait for you to type red toaster. She actually starts a real dialogue, asking these smart, clarifying questions just like a real expert would. She's trying to truly understand your world, your context, your needs. It's a proactive approach that gets you the right answer way faster.
This all boils down to a really crucial concept called conversational intelligence. Look, this isn't about just recognizing keywords in a search box. It's about understanding the whole context, asking smart follow-up questions, and having a genuine back-and-forth dialogue. This ability to truly converse is what separates an AI like Annie from pretty much every frustrating chatbot you've ever dealt with before.
Okay, so Annie understands you. That's a huge step. But how does that conversation turn into that perfect aha product recommendation? This is where a whole other layer of intelligence kicks in.
Which brings up the big question, right? How in the world can an AI get to know you, your tastes, and what you need so well after just a short chat? Well, the answer isn't some single magic algorithm. It's a really sophisticated system working behind the scenes.
It really breaks down into this simple three-step path. First, Annie listens and understands, analyzing your actual words. Second, it connects the dots using 9, yeah, you heard that right, 9 specialized engines that are looking for patterns in everything from your click history to seasonal trends. And third, it adapts in real time. It's constantly refining its suggestions with every single interaction you have.
And what's the result of that complex three-step dance? A stunning 95% recommendation accuracy. I mean, think about that. This isn't a random guess. It's a data-driven system that almost always nails it, taking all of that guesswork out of shopping for you. But, finding the right product is only half the battle. You still have to feel confident that it's the right choice. And that's where Annie goes way beyond just text, bringing products to life in a way a simple web page just can't.
Annie uses what's called multimodal assistance, which is just a fancy way of saying it uses more than just words. Confused about how that new espresso machine works? Boom, she'll play an on-demand video demo for you. Overwhelmed by all the technical specs? She'll explain them in plain English. And maybe the coolest part, you can just upload a photo of something you like, and she'll find that exact product or things with a super similar vibe.
So you've had a great conversation, you've found the perfect product, and you're feeling good about it. The last step is making the actual purchase as easy as humanly, or I guess AI-ly, possible, whether you're at home on your couch or standing in a physical store.
And the system is built for both of those worlds. For e-commerce, it's dead simple, and he just adds your picks right into your online cart. Easy. But in a physical store, something really cool happens. Annie alerts a human staff member, basically creating this instant concierge experience.
Just picture this. Instead of you having to wander around looking for an employee, the employee finds you. An alert just like this one goes directly to a sales associate's device, telling them exactly what you need and exactly where you are. It's totally seamless, it's efficient, and honestly, it feels like a luxury service.
So a great conversation and a smooth checkout are fantastic for the customer, for sure. But what does all this actually mean for the business? Let's take a look at the bottom line impact of this whole retail revolution. The results are pretty staggering. Businesses using this kind of tech are seeing up to a 30% jump in revenue and a 33% increase in the average amount each customer spends. But this is more than just a quick sales bump. It's about building loyalty. I mean, when shopping is this easy and this helpful, customers are definitely going to come back.
And this is probably the most important thing to take away from all this. Any AI isn't just some shiny new app or another tool. It really represents an entirely new category of sales infrastructure. It's like a foundational layer that gives businesses a huge competitive edge by finally bridging that gap between digital smarts and the real human experience.
So, as we wrap up, it really leaves us with a critical question for the future of retail. In a world where we all expect instant, expert answers, is your business built for the old world of searching, or is it ready for the new world of conversation?